What's going on, guys? MixedSid back again for another Halloween cocktail series. Back again for another year. Really excited. It's one of my favourite times of the year. I just love doing the Halloween cocktails every year. So as you can see, this idiot here that you can see straight ahead is... He's got no sound, so we're doing a voiceover. So this is future Aaron narrating today's video. So what I'm showing you there, guys, is the black sanding sugar. So it's quite easy to do, really, because there's just black food colouring mixed in with sugar to get the black effect, as you'll see. Wise, we'll go rim the glass. So what we're using today is the rocks glass, which I'm about to show you now, as you can see. So we'll just go rim the top of it with the black sugar. So as you can see in the background, if you're very observant, is we've already done a little bit with the lime juice. So this is where I switch to the simple syrup or sugar syrup, as it's much more effective though, as you will see. So you can notice a difference straight away between the lime juice and the sugar syrup. It really helps it because it's a lot more stickier. There's a lot more sticky substance. So I really recommend it. Instead of using lime juice to rim the glass, just use sugar syrup if you do have it. It's really simple to make. As you can see, I'm trying to perfect it, and it looks really, really good. So one thing I do love about this time of the year is the bars, because I just love decorating it every year, because it's one, as I say, I just can't say enough, it's one of my favourite times of the year, apart from Christmas time as well. So I do like the Halloween themed. So this is the Halloween take on the margarita. That's why it's called the Black Margarita. So we're just going to put the ice now into the rocks glass. And what we're going to do now is put in the tequila. So we're going to put in 60ml or 2 ounces of El Jimador tequila. Well, a little bit of hesitate you can see there, because I'm afraid of knocking my own glasses when doing the pour, so this is what I do, carefully switch to the right hand, and there we go. Perfect pour straight into it. So one thing to mention as well is it's stirred, so we're just pouring it over the rocks, so we're just going to stir it together, because there's no shaking involved in this Halloween cocktail whatsoever. So next is 30ml, 1 ounce of Cointreau or triple sec. It's one of my favourite go-tos for a triple sec Cointreau, because it's really nice. Next is fresh lime juice, so we're putting in 15ml, which is half an ounce. One thing to pay attention to is the colour of the cocktail that you can see in the minute. As you can see, it's like a very transparent white colour. I should say opaque, actually, not transparent, opaque. So you can see now we're stirring it, it's starting to change colour a little bit. So now we're just going to speed up, but it took a while to do this. As I had to put a little bit more to get that desired effect that I really, really wanted from this cocktail. Look how black that is. Perfection. And now we're just going to garnish it with a lime wheel. Perfect. And there we go. One Black Margarita. Perfect. So with the Black Margarita now, what we're going to do now is just give it a taste test, because it looks delicious and I cannot wait to try it. So let's get straight into this now. So as you can see, my thought process of those, because it surprises me, because I thought it would be a bit more different than the normal margarita, but it's not. It's a food colouring that I use. I use black food colouring. You can use a different one, but I use like a food colouring gel for my desired black effect. But you can mix in other colours, but I just find it very not cost effective. So it's very much like a normal margarita, because it's very spicy, it's very delightful, because as you can taste the tartiness of the drink as well, especially with the tequila. That's what makes this drink of the margarita. It's the tequila that you pour. It's the quality of the tequila that you pour into the cocktail. That's what gives it a desired effect. So I never rating this, because this is from yesterday. 8 out of 10. But it's a banging Halloween cocktail, and I just love everything about it. Because with the Halloween is, you can use your creative imagination to show off your showmanship you can show off your showmanship of the cocktails. So what I'm saying there is, I'm just saying it how much it surprised me as I thought the food colouring would affect the drink, but it never did. But it's a very spicy. I'm rating it 8 out of 10. And this has been the Black Margarita, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more videos like this. Cheers.